Today I'm gonna make fire starters. We are getting ready to go camping, so this is the perfect opportunity for me to repurpose things that would normally be thrown out. So first you're gonna just start saving all this lint from the dryer. Then you're also gonna save your toilet paper rolls. Now we happen to buy ours at Costco, so it works out perfect because it has this outer wrapping. But if you don't have that, you'll have to grab newspaper. The first thing I do is lie the paper out. And now I'm gonna stuff this toilet paper roll with as much lint as I can. And this is why I say save as much of the lint as you can. You can use just a little bit, but it may not work as well. Then just start rolling your paper and forget about the ends for the moment. Just roll it until you get to the end. Then what I do is I twist the ends because pretty much what you wanna create is like a little stem that you can light on fire. Just make sure you're twisting it gently because a couple times I did it really hard and I ripped the paper right off, so then I had to start over. And then, like I said, an alternative can be newspaper, but you can also just use like paper towel. So here I'm just stuffing it like I did before. And then you're also gonna just roll this without the ends. So just roll it until you get to the end and then gently twist this. Now, one thing I didn't mention is if you have a longer tail, you can just kind of stuff it in there while you're packing it or whatever. And then you can pull that back out when you're ready to light your fire. That way they don't come apart. So if you're doing fires this summer, I highly recommend you save this because instead of throwing this away, you actually have a fire starter that will make your life a lot easier.